Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all well. So for today's video I have a massive Zara haul for you. I never usually do my Zara shopping online, but I can't even lift them up. I've got like 4 boxes stacked full of Zara goodies. Grab your cup of tea and your snacks now because I have a feeling that this is going to be quite a long one. Okay, so the first item we're starting with I have actually worn. I couldn't wait to wear this. I've literally wanted this jumper for so long. It comes in 2 different colours, but I got the camel coloured one. Now it has these little bits which I just kept on to show you guys, but I think I'm going to cut these off as soon as I film this. You're supposed to tie them up to be a bow, but they're just annoying when you go to the toilet or you wash your hands or whatever. They just like, they get in the way, if you know what I mean. But yeah, it's a really lovely roll neck oversized jumper. The material's really soft, it's not itchy, which I think is really important with jumpers like this. Like a lot of the time I have to wear something underneath it, but with this one you don't necessarily have to. Let me see what size I got. I got a size small and this was $39.99, which I think is quite a lot for a jumper, but the quality seems amazing. I feel like these kind of colours never really go out of fashion. So here it is on. This is probably like in my top 2 of jumpers that I've bought this winter. Absolutely love this jumper, love the oversized look, love the neck of it. It's really soft actually. Now I can actually take the tag off and wear it, not with the tag in. Let me get my next box out. Okay, this jumper I've also worn just for a video though. I haven't worn this out yet. We have another high neck jumper. Now with this one it is like, as you can see, that is literally all the neck, so you do have to roll it over quite a bit and it's hard to make it look like nice. It is very itchy, this material. I'm not sure what it is. Whatever it is, it's very itchy. So I wore like a black top underneath this and it really annoyed me because in the video the sleeve of my black top like stuck out and I was like, Maddie. But yeah, no, I love the colour of this. Like, this is what drew me to it, is the colour. It's like a beautiful, I would say like mauve, like lilac-y pink. And it has like all of this cross detail on it. It's just a big chunky knit. It is quite see-through, like you can see if you wear a black top underneath, you can see the black. So I'd probably wear a white top with this because it's like a lighter colour. But yeah, again, it's just like, ooh, oversized. Really nice jumper. That one was a bit more expensive because this is like limited edition. It was $69.99, so that is quite a bit. So I don't know about this one, whether to keep it because it is really itchy and the neck's a bit weird. I don't know whether it's worth it. Do you see what I mean about the neck? You know, in the olden days when they used to wear like neck pieces like this, yeah, it just, I don't know, I really love the colour and I really love the leg oversized vibe of this. It's just the neck, it takes me a while to like figure out how to do it. Next up is actually a suit, which I'm super excited about. I never really go for suits, but I saw this on someone's Instagram. I think it was like one of the Towie lot, and they looked amazing in it, so I thought I would get it because it's very Christmassy. It is a red suit. I've actually taken the belt off of the trousers, so these are the trousers. They have the bit for the belt here, but I actually styled it how I saw on Instagram with like the belt over. You'll see it in a second. So they're tapered at the end, they come in at the end, and yeah, they're really well fitted. I got a size extra small. Let's see how they fit. I may end up sizing up to a small for all of the food that I'm going to be eating this Christmas. I would even wear these with what I've got on today, just like a black bodysuit and a cardi. Like, you could dress them down with some trainers, or you could wear them with the blazer. So the blazer is really nice. It is like a collarless blazer. Here's what it looks like. It's just like a really nice like tailored fit. It's got a bit of padding on the shoulders, and then we have this button detail here on the sleeve. Oh, by the way, the trousers were $29.99, so pretty good, and this was £50, which I feel, I don't know why this is £50, maybe like £40. £50 is Oh, I suppose it's a very nice blazer, and again you could wear this by itself. So how I envision styling this is taking the belt from the trousers and putting it around the waist of the blazer just to give myself a bit more of a waist, and I think you could wear this with like nothing on underneath and have a bit of a plunge, or you could wear it with like a black bodysuit or like a bralette or whatever it is you want. Yeah, I just really like it. It's just really nice and tailored, and I got a size extra small in that as well. Very wishful thinking from me. Okay, I think this has to be my favourite combo of the whole haul. I've even changed my hair because I would probably wear it a bit more slick back if I was to wear this suit, but can we just appreciate the fit of this suit? Definitely needs ironing, but yeah, it fits super well. The only thing is with the trousers, I think I might have to size up because they're great, but after a bit of food. But I love this belt around the waist instead of like the trousers. I think that really tops it off. Moving on to my next box. This coat has a box all to itself. Let's try and find it the right way up. Oh my god, this is so nice. This feels amazing. So I've already got my like main fur coat this winter. It's from Topshop. I absolutely love it. However, I do really like this colour and I kind of wanted a lighter one. This one was $99.99, which I feel is the price point for most fur coats. But look at it. Look at it. It is so fluffy. Oh, I can't even describe how soft it is. So we've got one big button on this. It's not long. It's not a long line coat. It's, I wouldn't say it was like short, but it's like maybe will just cover my bum, just about. What size did I get? I got size small, so I could put like jumpers and stuff on underneath it. I really like this. All that talk of this coat not being long line, and look at it on me. It definitely does cover my bum. I think this size is a bit too small because I only have a bodysuit on underneath and it feels a bit like restricted, so I think I may have to size up in this. It feels so nice and cozy. I just love faux fur coats. Then carrying on with my very beige brown oatmeal colour scheme, I ended up buying like 3 jumpers in like similar colours, but they're all different. They're all like different thicknesses, because I got the first one that I showed you, which is like a big oversized jumper. Then I got this one, which is like a very thin, I would say it was more of a top than a jumper. I'm always looking for basics in the winter. I absolutely live in black roll necks in the winter. Black roll necks, black trousers, and a fur coat over the top, and you're good to go. So I really liked this colour. It has this detail here with the buttons. I'm not really sure how I feel about that. It's just a roll neck. It feels like really nice, good quality material. I got a size small in that. I don't think it's going to be fitted to the body. I think there's going to be some room there. And it was it only says it in euros, €19.95. Okay, so I've just popped this on with my bodysuit underneath, so please ignore this line here. I'll now know not to wear my bodysuit underneath with this, but this is how I would wear it, like tucked in. I do really like this, but I'm not really sure about the fit because it's not like, you know, it's not like completely fitted. I really love the colour, and I actually really like this detail on the arm. I like how it comes down and it kind of like splits. Let me know what you think. By the way, this is how long it is without being tucked in. So this one is very similar to actually the Zara one I have from years ago, which is black. This colour was called Oatmeal on the website, and it's a bit thicker. The rib detail is a bit more prominent on this one, and it's shorter. I feel like that's quite short, but usually with these I tuck them in anyway to trousers, so that's not really an issue. Again, it's a roll neck. It feels really soft. It feels really nice quality. This was $29.99, so a bit of a jump up. I think this one will go really well with a pair of like black leather style leggings with a pair of like snakeskin boots, which I did actually purchase. You know what, I actually really love this colour. I really like the shape of this, the fit of it. It feels really nice and soft. The neck is nice and stretchy, so I don't feel too confined. Yeah, and the length of it is actually nice. Like, I thought it'd be really short, but it's actually like okay, like you could tuck it in or just leave it out like this. I also got this, so I'm jumping on this little bum bag trend, not at festivals. Apparently it's all the rage. I did not expect it to be this small though. Okay, so this is like a purse that you wear as a belt. I think these look super cute. I'm not really sure whether I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna see if I can style it. Oh, it says special price on it. I don't know what that means, but it was $17.99. Quite pricey for a bag this big. I think I was envisioning it would be like this big maybe, because it is like, oh, it's so cute though. I don't know why it has this chain, like as if you'd wear that as a bag. Snake print, gold detail. Why does it say medium? Maybe you could get different, I'm so confused with this. Maybe you could get different sizes. It says medium on the tag. Interesting. We'll see how this is, because this is quite a thin belt strap, so yeah, and I don't know whether there's gonna be enough holes. I may have to make my own. Oh my god, it is so cute. I don't think it's sitting quite right at the moment because there wasn't enough belt holes. I think it needs to sit like up a bit like this, although, oh, look at that cutting into me. I do think it makes like a cute little accessory, but I'm not sure. What do we reckon? Shall I keep it? Is it worth $17.99 for a cute little accessory or no? I mean, if I try and style it the other way that people wear bum bags, I think it just looks a little bit ridiculous because it's just like sitting on the bottom of my boot. I think I bought 3 bags from Zara. I bought a black, a white and a printed one. So this is the white one. I think Zara bags always look more expensive than they are. This is it. It has these lovely metal handles at the top, and then it has a zip so everything is safe inside here, but it's silver on the inside. That's pretty nice, I think. This was $25.99. Again, it says special price. I don't know what this means. I really don't. The thing about white bags is that they get dirty so easily. I go through them very, very quickly. Maybe I'll spray this one so it doesn't get as dirty. It's also got this strap here so you can wear it on your shoulder. I think that looks really, really nice. I'm actually obsessed with this bag. It's so nice. I love it worn like across the body. Even like holding like this, it looks cute. You can't take the strap off, which is worth noting, but I think it's fine just like dangling down like that. Next up is the black bag that I bought, and I'm literally in love with this one. I really, really am. It's like a TARDIS inside. Like from using it, I've like gone to Tesco to do a small shop for like lunch bits and bobs, and I've managed to fit it all in this bag somehow. It's like a bowler bag style. I really love the gold detail and the fact that this has like handles and a strap. What I did, because I wore this on my birthday, I wore it strapped like crossbody during the day, and then at night I took the straps off and I just held it like a handbag. I think it just looks a little bit more elegant. The only thing I will say about this is that the zip's quite jammy, like it, you know, it takes a long time to zip up. I do actually have stuff inside it at the moment. Oh, some pom bears. Pom bears. But yeah, no, there's no pocket on the inside or anything. I think this is probably my favourite black bag that I own. Oh my god, I just absolutely love it. The strap seems quite long on this one, but I think it's because I usually wear a coat, which like brings it out, and then you can just switch it up and carry it like this. Next up we have a little evening top. So I really fell in love with a top that was super similar to this in Topshop. What colour was it? It was like browny orange, like a burnt orange brown, which was nice, but I thought this colour I'm not going to wear with a lot of things, so I found this one on Zara. It's just like a, how do you describe this? Is it cowl neck? Satiny spaghetti strap top. I think this is really nice and elegant. I would wear this with probably a nice pair of black trousers on night out. It just hangs down like this at the front. I really like the thin straps. This was $19.99 and I got it in a size extra small. Okay, so here it is on. I really love the fit of this. I love that it comes in and then goes out here. I thought that I would probably wear it tucked in, but because of the shape I really like how it sits. I put nipple daisies on underneath as well, so you can't see my nips, but I love how this hangs here. It's just really nice and elegant. Ooh. Okay, in this box we have a coat. So I did buy 2 coats. Not sure if I'm going to keep them both. I was kind of on a very beige memo, obviously, with this shop. I saw this coat because I saw it with this jumper. They're pretty much the same colour, and I just thought that would look really good together. This coat looks super, super soft. Feels pretty soft too. It is a Longline jacket. It's like the trench coat style. We have some lovely light coloured buttons. I really, really like the colour of this and the material. I think it looks very, very expensive. It was $95.99, so again, you know, nearly £100. I got a size small again so I can put jumpers on underneath it. But yeah, let's see how this looks. It's actually quite thin, you know. It's more floppy than I thought it would be. Okay, so I obviously had to try this on with this jumper on underneath. I can't believe how well these colours match. I really, really like them together. So it is pretty long. It definitely needs an iron as well. But yeah, it feels really, really nice. I love this button detail. I think it'll look really good both done up and undone. What do we reckon? It's very nice and like slouchy and oversized as well. And then finally I got 2 pairs of shoes. Flipping out, you know, when you like online order late at night and then you get it all and you're like, okay, that's quite a lot of stuff. I'm really, really trying at the moment to only have pieces that I know that I will wear again. So in this box we should hopefully have some boots. So there's like 2 different pairs of Zara boots on the website, and I wasn't sure which ones to go for, but I went for these ones because they're like a bit taller than I'm usually used to, and they've got the heel the same colour. So the other ones, I can't remember what colour the heel was. It was either like orange or black, but yeah, they were very, very similar, the 2 pairs of snake print boots on there. These are $49.99. I'm really hoping they fit. I got a size 4, which is my usual size. The front is like pointed, but it's not to a point. It's like rounded. I love this block heel. And yeah, like I said, they're a lot taller than usual. I don't really own any boots that are this kind of length, if you know what I mean. Like usually they maybe come down to here. But yeah, I really like this detail on it. I just think pattern boots liven up an outfit during winter when you're wearing like all black. You can pop these on and you've still got a bit of like something interesting to look at. Guys, these are actually so comfy. I was not expecting that from them. They feel really, really nice. I don't know whether I would like pull my trousers up so there would be a bit of ankle still showing. What do we reckon? Ankle, no ankle. What do we reckon? Ankle, no ankle. And then finally, I got some white trainers. So I'm on the hunt for a pair of like chunky white trainers. I've literally ordered maybe 5 different pairs from 5 different shops, and I've sent them all back because they haven't looked right or fit right. So I've seen these ones on a few people, so I thought I would give these a go. They're very, very lightweight actually. They have this like cutout detail on the bottom. Interesting. They're just like white and beige, standard chunky trainer. How much were these? $39.99. So again, on the more expensive side. So yeah, I got size 4 in those, which is my size, so hopefully, I don't know how the sizing is going to be with these. They just feel very, very lightweight for £40, you know? You would think they would be a bit more sturdy, but maybe that's part of the design. Maybe they're supposed to be lightweight so you can run away quicker. So I actually really, really love these trainers. I think they look really cool. I really actually like the cowl bit in the middle. My ankles look super tan as well because they're fake tanned. I am so glad that I finally found a nice pair of chunky white trainers. Okay guys, so that is it for my Zara haul. I really hope you like the bits that I picked out. Do let me know what you thought in the comments. Do you shop at Zara? Because I feel like Zara is super, super hit and miss, and like I said, I'd never ordered from there online. It's quite hard to find things, but I think I did. Oh, I think I managed to find things okay. So yeah, do make sure you give it a big thumbs up if you did like it. If you're new here, then click the subscribe button down below and make sure you have my notifications on so you know when I have uploaded. Hope you're all good, and I will see you in Monday's video. Goodbye!